Okay everyone, it is the holiday season, which means cozy drinks. Now I've already done a keto-friendly pumpkin spice latte, so this week I thought I would make you a keto-friendly chai latte. Now the first thing you want to do is brew your chai tea and warm up your milk. Next, we're going to add in our monkfruit sweetener. Now you can choose how sweet you want it. I like 2 teaspoons, but you can really choose as much or as little as you'd like. Okay, you might think this is a little overkill, but I'm going to add some more cinnamon in because I just really feel like it gives it that extra warmth. Plus, I love cinnamon. If you've been watching any of my videos, you will know that I love cinnamon more than anything. So add it if you'd like. If you don't, just leave it out. Now add in your cinnamon. Add in a little bit of pumpkin spice. Add in your vanilla bean powder or extract, depending on what you have. Now let's whisk it all together. Add your milk into your cup. Now it's time to add in our cream. So if you're strictly dairy-free, you can leave this out, but it does taste really good if you can tolerate it. Now give it one last whisk. Pour the rest of your chai in your mug. Now top it off with a little bit of whipped cream. Or a lot of bit of whipped cream, either one. And if you're addicted to cinnamon as much as I am, sprinkle some on top. And there you have it, a super delicious, cozy chai latte that is keto-friendly and perfect for this festive season. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.